Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? It's literally been such a long time since I sat down and filmed a video. The last video that I saw on my channel was actually filmed on November 9th, I want to say. Never really got around to editing it. Since then I haven't really filmed anything for YouTube or Instagram, so this kind of feels exciting again, because for a while there, I don't know why, I kind of lost my excitement for YouTube because the growth on here is so slow, and in all honesty that is a little bit discouraging. But I don't want to stop making videos. I don't care how many views they get, I just want to make them for fun. As long as I feel happy making these videos, I will continue to do them. Yeah, with that little rant out of the way, let's talk about today's video. It's going to be a makeup tutorial on this French girl makeup look that I've recently been seeing all over YouTube and Instagram. I'm also making this tutorial very winter appropriate. Also, if you're someone who doesn't like wearing a lot of makeup, you want to wear minimal makeup, then this video is for you. I think this video is perfect for everyone, like no matter what makeup skill level you have, whether it's beginner, whether it's mediocre, whether it's super advanced. This video is for everyone. Let's begin with priming our face. I'm going to use this Colorbar primer oil to prime my face. When I think of a French girl makeup look, I think of minimal makeup. I think of very fresh looking makeup, very fresh looking skin, which is, I love that kind of makeup, okay? And I think it's perfect for winters where it's a lot like blush heavy. I know blush is like trending also in the makeup world, so kind of perfect. This primer, you want to put it all over your entire face for that really glowy, hydrated look. Don't be afraid to even bring it underneath your eyes and on top of your eyelids, but be very gentle. And then keep massaging it until you feel like it's all sunken into your skin. Also, don't forget underneath your jawline, on your jawline. If your neck is exposed, you can even put some primer on your neck. Okay, so we're done with our primer. Let's move on to our base, and it's going to be the easiest base of life. All the French girl makeup tutorials I've seen that they all use their concealer as their foundation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro concealer in pure beige. So this shade is actually my color corrector shade, and it's kind of a little bit dark for me right now. So I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible concealer in the shade, it's in the shade 312 Amber, and I'm gonna mix it. It's a little bit of a lighter shade, but when they mix together I get the perfect shade. Now you gotta keep in mind, we're not looking to completely remove all our imperfections, just kind of even out your skin tone, and that is all. So I've put the concealer underneath my eyes to cover up my dark circles. And with whatever is left on my sponge, I'm kind of going over this area because I do have some pigmentation here. I feel like most Indian brown desi women do have some form of pigmentation, like around their lip, underneath their eyes, and then I have these post-acne marks. So now that I've covered all the areas that I want the most coverage in, I'm just going to go over my entire face with whatever is left on my sponge to kind of make it all blend together and make it look seamless. I'm also going to go on top of my eyelid with this. Oh my god, so this is why my video wasn't looking as clear. I had totally forgotten to switch on my ring light, which I just switched on right now. Oh my god, it makes such a huge difference, like in the clarity of the video. I think the very first video that I've uploaded on this channel was actually filmed without a ring light, just using natural lighting. Let's move on to blush. Now, all of the French girls that I've seen use their lipstick as their blush. And I feel like the French girls are like known to have like a bold red lip. And if not a bold red lip, at least like some sort of a bold lip. So that is what I have tried to create today. But I didn't want to go like fully red, so I've kind of custom created this lip color blend, which to be honest I always do. I never wear just one straight up lipstick. I'm always mixing my lipsticks. I'm taking this Lakme 95 Lip and Cheek Mousse. This is in the shade Blush Velvet. I'm going to use it as my blush, and then I'm also going to use it as my lipstick. But you don't need a lot, literally just this much is enough because we're actually going to use something else for our lipstick. I love this French makeup because they're more focused on blush than bronzer. And I don't really apply bronzer on an everyday basis. The only time I do apply a bronzer is when I'm going out for like an event or like I have a full face of makeup on. That is the only time I apply bronzer. In all honesty, I absolutely love this Lakme lipstick. I've been using this for 5 to 6 years, and do you see this? I always love to have this kind of look going on my cheeks. This is the only like blush that I have found to give me that. To complete our lips, I'm going to take this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Copenhagen, and I'm going to dab it on my lips. I don't want a full dark, like full on lipstick kind of a look, because the French lip look is always a bold, blotted kind of a lip look. It's never like, you know, shellacked on lipstick. And we don't even need a lip liner with this. In full French fashion, I'm also going to use the same lipstick as my blush, but I'm going to use a lot less of this. Again, blend it out with my fingers. Also going a little over my nose. Let's move on to our eyebrows and our eyes. So the French makeup is all about bold eyebrows that still look natural, and on the eyes I feel like they go completely natural. They rarely have any eyeshadow on. Either they have a wing going on or they have just one eyeshadow blended all over their lids. I'm going to use this LA Gold Brow Kit in medium for my brows, and I'm going to use this darkest shade in the kit for my brows. Taking an angular eyebrow brush or an eyeliner brush, whatever you want to call it, and dipping it into the eyeshadow, the eyebrow color, and making my brows really bold and thick, but also kind of keeping them in the realm of being natural. If you have an eyebrow pencil, you can also use that to fill in your brows. Anything really will work here, but just make sure that you make them bushy and dark and thick. I'm taking this Wet n Wild Mega Clear Mascara. I'm going over my brows to give them a feathery look and also to keep them in place. And that's that for our brows. It's time that we set our face, but before you do that, don't forget to tap out all the creases from underneath your eyes and even on top of your eyelids if you did put foundation there, like I did. If you use powder while you have creases in your under eyes, like the concealer has creases, you're actually going to set them. And I mean, who wants that? Take a brush like this and a powder. It can be any powder. I'm using this powder by Rimmel. It's the Stay Matte Pressed Powder in Translucent. I'm going to set underneath my eyes. And also my eyelids. I'm actually taking a little bit of a bigger brush and using the same powder. I'm setting only my T-zone area or any area on your face that gets shiny. Taking this musk shade from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and as you can see, it's a very light, taupey, cool toned shade. I'm going to put it in my crease to lightly define my crease. This is the Colorbar Just Smoky Kajal in Just Marsala, and I'm going to line my eyes with this. It's a deep wine shade. I'm putting it just on the very outer edges of my upper lash line. Just make sure you take a creamy eyeliner or a creamy eye pencil because it's just easier to blend it that way. Now I'm going to smudge it and create a wing out of it. I'm not going anywhere near the inner half of my eye, just going to keep it contained here. I'm taking this shade called Oud from the same Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm going over my eyeliner with this, making it more smudgy and smoky. So this should be the end result with our eyes. Using my new favorite mascara from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. and it's an absolute stunner. So much darkness, richness, curl, length, volume, everything in one mascara. So for mascara, you really want to go heavy-handed. I don't know if the French women are just blessed with long lashes or they use a lot of mascara, or maybe it's both, but their lashes are always like touching the high heavens. So you want to put your mascara on both your bottom and your top lash line. Did you guys really think that I was going to forget about a highlighter? I mean, that's never going to happen on this channel. I'm using this Becca mini highlighter. It's called the Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. I don't think they make these anymore. Like, they don't make the liquid version. They do have Opal in the little pressed version. I have that one also, but I just love these ones. I do not know why they discontinued them, but if you can still find them, literally, I'm praying, I'm begging you, praying, I don't know why I said that, but I'm begging you to get it, because it's the best highlighter of life. I do have a drugstore dupe kind of for this highlighter. It's not the same thing, but it's this Maybelline Master Strobing Cream, and it's in the shade Nude. I think it also comes in, yeah, this is in the shade Nude, and it also comes in like pink or something like that. It's a good drugstore liquid highlighter, but the glow that you get from the Maybelline one is not as close to the glow that you get from this. Also, you have a little bit of shimmer particles in the Maybelline one, which you don't at all in this. And literally, that is why I love this. I don't know how they put glow into it, because how did they do it? It has no shimmer or anything in it. I'm using the Becca one. You can use the Maybelline one or any of your favorite liquid highlighter. Honestly, I don't even know why I called this tutorial a French girl makeup look. This is literally the kind of makeup that I do, minus the bold lip. In fact, the reason why I chose to do a French girl makeup look is because I was like, it's going to force me to use something bolder on my lips, something different. That's a glow there. And with that, we're done for today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I loved doing this makeup because honestly, I love a chic, like all over chic look when it comes to clothes or makeup or anything, and I don't think it gets any more chic than French, right? So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys will check my next video out as well. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more such videos. If you have any requests for videos that you would like to see on my channel, please leave them down below. Don't hesitate. I listen to all of you. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Everything will be linked down below, including all the products that I used today, my social media handles and everything. Thank you once again for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
I'm dropping it and staining my sweater with it. Nice. What if I trip? What if I speed?